Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to fix our 500 error in our website. Sometime you are facing in Elementor 500 error, especially on home page. So today I talk about how to fix this error a simple and easy way. So this is error facing you while updating on home page or some other pages. So this is error belong to PHP memory limit size and PHP execution type. So we need to increase PHP max time increase you can we can also increase PHP memory limit. So these are some simple steps how to increase. Let's get started. If you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, please thumbs up our video and press the bell icon for latest and more content. So you need to go your WordPress files, and if you have using FTP, you can use FTP, or you can use a file manager plugin. So that was also is useful for changing the PHP memory limit. So click on WP config file, just double click, open that file. So once open the file, you can scroll down. So you can, after the debug mode, you can define a variable, define WP underscore memory limit, comma, you can set up to 256 M. If 256 is not solving, then you can use 25 M. If not solving, then 24 M. It must be solving. So, and just control S. Once you are safe, go back to your Elementor page, and now just reload that page. Once the reloading is complete, and go scroll down, so update the page. Now it's working. So today we learn how to fix the 500 error in Elementor in basic and simple easy way. So if you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest and more content.